Hi guys, I felt it's long been that I shuffled and took a universal law. So let us see what is today's universal law. Yeah, I'll put the difference between law of assumption and law of mentalism tomorrow. Today I just felt like doing this. I'm a person who's very authentic. I'll do only for what I'm called. I cannot. That is my alignment. So if I misalign myself now, I suffer a lot. So this is what I'm called for today. This is what I just want to live. So I'm living. Law of grace. So law of grace. What does this law tell? This can waive the law of karma. When applied, this law allows a person to receive more than one deserves or works for highest good for all. Okay. When called upon, then law allows the person to send another a healing to do a soul talk. Okay. So what I generally in simple terms I understood from this law of grace is when you are being very, very genuinely affectionate and with that pure love, no conditions, nothing. However you are, I just love you. That way of love with the divine supreme. Okay. So when you are making a space for the divine supreme in your heart and you are keeping on developing yourselves, you are keeping on improvising yourselves for that pure love to gain the blessings from divine. That is the divine grace, isn't it? So this is the law of divine grace actually. So that means now when we are going very closer and closer and closer, and when you want to live within the divine's heart, that is the ultimate intention. When you want to live within the divine's heart, when you make yourselves pure and pure and pure, okay, and when you surrender yourselves completely 100% out of divine trust and faith to God, now God intakes you, okay, and God comes and lives in your heart, okay. So that time he blesses you with divine grace. That divine grace dissolves all your karma, makes your all that happenings, deeds, whatever it is, neutral. Okay. So and when you can do all these things, you work for your highest good. And when you are at this state, whatever you think manifests in your life. This is how you become a master manifester. Okay. And when you do this for good and when you use this for good, you can teach this to the society also. So whomever in this society also can practice this, and they can teach this to other people, and other people also are allowed to learn this, okay, and do the healing for themselves. And that this healing happens through the inner talk, self talk, isn't it? So they also learn everything from you. This is what is law of grace. So when you have that good intention and when you use it for your own good intention, for your own highest good, you can teach it to others also to do the same thing. Okay. So that is what is this law of divine grace. Okay guys, let us see in some other uh, law tomorrow and next on. Until then, bye.